Most freelancers choose the wrong platform for the wrong reasons. They think all freelance websites work the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the difference between Fiverr and Upwork can completely change how fast you earn and how stable your income becomes. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is picking a platform based only on hype instead of your skill type and earning style. In this video, you will learn how Fiverr and Upwork really work in 2026, which one is better for beginners, and which one helps you earn faster or more consistently. Let's break it down simply. Fiverr works like a product store. You create a service called a gig, and buyers come to you. A freelancer like Alex might offer logo design, video editing, or writing services. Once the gig ranks, you can get orders without constantly applying. Now here's where it gets interesting. Fiverr is search-driven. That means your visibility depends on keywords, reviews, and how well your gig performs in the beginning. But here's the problem most beginners face. They create a gig and wait. If it is not optimized, it never gets seen. Now let's look at Upwork. Upwork works differently. Instead of waiting, you actively apply to jobs. A freelancer like Jake sends proposals to clients who are already looking for help. This makes Upwork more competitive but also more flexible. In 2026, Upwork clients often look for long-term freelancers. That means fewer one-time orders, but higher stability if you build trust. So which platform is better? Fiverr is better for beginners who want passive-style income where clients find them. It works best if you can create a strong niche gig and optimize it for search. Upwork is better for freelancers who are good at writing proposals, communicating with clients, and building long-term relationships. In a minute, here is what most freelancers miss. The fastest earners do not rely on just one platform. They test both and double down on the one that brings faster results in their niche. Let's talk earnings. On Fiverr, income starts slow but can become scalable once your gig ranks. On Upwork, income can start faster if your proposals are strong, but you must constantly apply for jobs. A freelancer like John might struggle on Fiverr at first but succeed on Upwork with good pitching skills. Another freelancer might do the opposite depending on their strengths. So the real answer is not which platform is better overall. It is which platform matches your personality and skill. If you prefer waiting for clients and optimizing listings, Fiverr is stronger. If you prefer applying and negotiating directly, Upwork is stronger. To summarize, Fiverr is a search-based marketplace with scalable potential, while Upwork is a job-based platform with faster initial opportunities. Both can work in 2026, but only if you use them correctly. If this helped you understand the real difference, like the video, comment which platform you are choosing, and subscribe for more freelancing guides that help you earn smarter online.